We're going to drain the oil from the truck, replace the oil filters and oil. So let's get started. This truck takes approximately 12 quarts of oil. I recommend having an oil catch pan large enough for all of it. And this pan right here will do the trick. Alright, I'm filming upside down. Taking a drain plug loose. It's 19mm socket to get this loose. This is a 2008 F350, so there's your drain plug size. So we'll let that drain. And there's the socket, just so you were wondering. I'll make it easy on myself. I use a small breaker bar to get that loose. No need to fight it. All right, so now we're gonna take out the oil filter, which is here, right next to the fuel filter, which is here. So it's the oil filter. You can see right on the oil filter, it says 25 Newton meters right there. So that's what we're going to torque it to when we're done. So let's going to pull the cap off now. So we got a breaker bar here. And let's see if I can set this down. Still kind of listen to what we're doing here.
Pull it off. I think we'll get it by hand. So we're gonna pull this off here.
Pull this out. See if I can get it around here without making too much of a mess. I do want to show you this. It does have a spring right there. Goes up inside of the filter. Alright, so I'm going to catch this mess before I make too big of a mess. Dispose of it. Alright, so here's where the oil filter goes. Before we put the oil filter back in here, we'll put some oil in here after we fill the plug up, because it primes the oil from here. So we'll do that, and then we'll add some oil. But before we do that, I want to show you this. Here's the oil filter I got. It's from Ford, it's Motorcraft, and here's the number. All right, any questions? There's your number. All right, here's the oil cap, here's the O-ring, here's the new O-ring. There's some instructions for you. You can take time to read that if you want. I'm not gonna bother. So we'll take this O-ring off. This one. We'll put this one on. All right, I got the new O-ring on. Gonna put the filter on the cap. There you go, you just press the filter in there, snaps in place. All right, let's pause. I'm gonna take the plug here, clean it off. I'll be right with you, hold on. All right, so the plug is magnetic, so if there's any debris on it, you know, you may make note of that. No debris on here. Cleaned it off. Clean the maintenance service, and then I'll stick it back in there. There you go. Drain plug back in, and tighten down. So now we can take the oil pan out from underneath the truck. I mean the catch pan out from underneath the truck.
Okay, I'm started.
All right, so we're gonna add some oil in here per the instructions. This is where the engine gets its oil prime from. that in there. Take the filter cap, push it down, it's spring loaded, twist it. Get it hand tight. Then you're going to torque it down to 25 Newton meters. Already have the torque wrench set. There you go. We're torqued. All right, I got the big filter and the engine oil. So there's your engine oil. There's my oil. All right, it takes 12 quarts. So I'm going to start filling it up. Benefits of a big oil filter is you can set that thing in there and let it drain so you get all of it. All right, that's 12 quarts in. Let's get rid of the funnel and then put the cap on. All right, normally I keep a rag in the bottom like this to catch any of the oil that wants to drain out. And then let's put this cap back on. All right, we'll give the engine oil a chance to drain down, settle, and then we'll check it right here with the engine oil dipstick. Not to be confused with the trans fluid dipstick, which just happens to be located right beside the engine oil fill. 2008 Ford F350 Power Stroke Super Duty 6.4 diesel. That's the oil change, including the filter. All right, guys, there you go. That's the way I did it. If you don't mind, give me a like, give me a subscribe. It's free, costs you nothing, helps me out. Have a great day.